Are you considering purchasing a walk-in bathtub to remain independent in your home? Do you know what the most important elements are to consider before purchasing a walk-in tub? This presentation will outline multiple elements that require careful consideration when selecting the right type of walk-in tub for you. Bathroom furniture and layout are critical elements to consider first. Placement of toilet, shower, vanity, walls, opening direction of door, and overall bathing space will determine the most suitable type of walk-in tub to purchase. Once you have considered your bathroom layout, it's time to determine the right type of walk-in tub for your home. There are two distinct types of walk-in tubs to choose from: outward opening door and inward opening door. Outward opening door walk-in tubs are the latest generation and provide a true barrier-free bathing solution for those with limited mobility. This is a much safer option since the door opens outward to allow an easy lateral transfer in and out of the tub. Inward opening walk-in tubs provide a suitable solution in cases where a bathroom is too small or its fixtures are too close to one another. Proper walk-in tub configuration is another important element that your aging-in-place specialist will consider during your in-home safety consultation. It is also important to consider possible future accessibility issues when choosing your walk-in tub configuration. Selection of the right size will ensure the walk-in tub is easily transported into the home and installed without any major changes or renovations to the existing bathroom. During the in-home safety consultation, your aging-in-place specialist will consider not only the actual dimensions of the area where the tub is to be installed, but also possible obstacles that could interfere with access into the home, such as narrow hallways, staircases, door size, and walls that can block your accessibility. Before committing to a walk-in tub purchase, consider ease of maintenance. Ensure that you understand the type of maintenance your walk-in tub requires and how readily available parts are. This will prevent unwanted usage disruption resulting from lack of or delay in acquiring certain parts. A proper walk-in tub installation is not the work of a handyman, but rather a professional installation crew that are bonded and can stand behind their work should any situation arise. A walk-in tub installation is a complex project that requires skilled coordination and proven technical expertise in the areas of plumbing, door carpentry, paintwork, and wall repair, to mention a few. Contracting a licensed, fully bonded, and certified installer guarantees the long-lasting performance of your walk-in tub. Finally, be sure to focus on brands with a solid reputation in the marketplace. Companies that are prepared to stand behind their product beyond the sale and that offer a sound warranty and post-sale service. With a limited lifetime warranty on walk-in tubs and professional installation, brands such as American Standard with a 140-year legacy are a perfect example. Keeping these tips in mind when purchasing your walk-in tub will save you time, money, and most importantly, will allow you to make a well-informed purchase decision, one you will be happy you made for many years to come. For more information on walk-in tubs, book a no-obligation visit from our mobile walk-in tub showroom. Visit walkintubtoyou.com.